Hi subscribers, welcome to my channel Survey God Tutorial. On this tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you on how to import raster layer into your QGIS environment. In order for you to get that done, all you simply need to do is to come to this layer. You click on your layers. Under layer, we have add layers. As you can see, this is add raster layer. When you click on add raster layers, you can see you select the locations under this place here. This is where when you click on this browse, it's going to take you to your desktop locations where you bring in the raster layers where it will save on your desktop. And you can also use other means apart from this method to bring in your raster layers through this shortcut. When you bring your cursor to this add raster layers, once you click on it, it's going to bring out this interface on you automatically. And for you to turn in these tools, list of these tools, as you can see, the name of this tool is called manage layer toolbox. For you to turn in manage layer toolbox, all you simply need to do is to come to this, bring your cursor to your processing, you right click and you come to this place that says manage layer toolbox. You uncheck. You can see now I've unchecked. Immediately the toolbox was removed. So for you to turn in the toolbox so that you can bring in any data to your QGIS environment, you come to your processing, you right click and you come to manage layer toolbox. You check it in. Now it is already there. So let me quickly bring in the raster layers using this add raster layer. I'm going to select the location where the raster layer was placed on my system. Through this browse, I'm going to click on it, the three dots, and I'll select this is my raster layer that I want to import, and I'll click on open. And I'll come to this place and click on add. So once I add, I'll click on close. As you can see now, the raster layer has been added. Because I have it before, that's why you can see is 2. You can see 2 on the layers 2. Once you add your raster layers, you can go ahead for editing and likes. For you to edit, you can come to this layer 2 here. You double click on the layer 2 and it's going to bring out this interface layer properties. We have information. These are the information of the raster layers that was imported into your QGIS. We have the source, symbologies, where you can change the colors and lights, transparency. In the cases where you want to remove black background of a layer that was imported into your QGIS environment, under this transparency, you can get that done. You just come to this additional node data values. You change it from any values you have, the default values you have, you change it to 0, and once you click on 0, you come to this place, you click on apply and you click OK. Immediately the black background will be removed automatically. When you are done, you click OK. And that is how to import a raster layer into your QGIS environment. And if you found this video helpful, do want to subscribe to my channel, like my videos. If you have any question, you can drop your questions under my comments. I'm going to reply as soon as possible. Thank you.